Some of y'all, the Lord been telling y'all to go live for a while. Some of y'all, God's been telling you to prophesy over people more. Some of y'all, God's been telling you to get on YouTube. He's been telling you to get on TikTok. He's been telling you to get on Instagram, but you won't do it. How can he grow a ministry if you won't put yourself out there to even be seen?
Yes.
He can't bless something that you won't first start.
Amen.
Faith without works is dead.
Amen.
So be encouraged, but also get up off your hind end and get started.
Yes.
So I feel like the Lord is saying the same thing to you guys. If you would just obey, the Lord can broaden your influence. The Lord can give you a people that will sit at your feet and listen to you teach, listen to you prophesy, take heed to your instruction, take heed to the wisdom, take heed to the counsel. But if you don't put yourself in a position where the Lord can use you, you will be replaced.
Because God already knows what he's getting ready to do.
You will be replaced.
And